and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for joining me on this journey. I want to show you a lovely sight. Tomatoes! A lot of tomatoes! They're growing. Yes! And they are normally this size. They will grow a little, but not too much, and turn orange. That's the name, orange hot draw tomatoes. There's one that you could see turning. And I can say this is the first plant that put out fruit. Then it was this one with this twin tomato. Forgive me for the dog. He's a bit angry today. I am feeling so good. I'm gardening through my window, and it's producing. And I just wanted to share this with you. This will be a short video. It's rainy in Barbados. We're having a lot of rain, and it's so wonderful. As you can see, some of you can see the plants have a lot of water on it, and it's so good when plants have the rain. Not normal watering from the pipe or whatever for catching rainwater, but from the sky to the plant. I feel so good, and I'm doing through my window. So I'm gonna have a million tomatoes. And as I said, when these grow, I will be putting it in some dishes and show you what I can. Yes, what I can. Keep watching, keep praying for me, pray for my garden, as I will pray for your garden, even if it's just one plant in one pot. It's a garden, and you are tending to it. It's getting food for you, and you have to thank the Lord for that you have the strength to do it. And the Lord said that He will increase everything for us. We put whatever we want to do in His hands. So I put what I can in the Lord's hand. I can't go outside. I can't go and till the soil like before. But the Lord put gardening through the window in my mind, and my husband made it happen. And look, I just wish that I could the stand I could expand and grow something else, but I am contented with whatever I'm getting. There are persons who can't even get one grow, and I have a lot. to the point that I'm soon going to taste one. This is so exciting. So if you would like to support my channel, please, I have t-shirts in my Teesprings or Spring website. Please buy one or buy a t-shirt, a book, or a hat for someone else. Or if you have anything to send, you will see my address in the description. So everything is in the description, the Teesprings link, and the address, because you know I cannot be monetized. So again, the link will be in the description, where that you could get one thing to support the channel, so I could buy something else that will help me, a disabled lady doing a hobby, trying to improve the channel. I have another unboxing, and that is, hopefully that is next week. If the Lord give me more days, you will see that next week. So your support of the channel would be greatly appreciated, and to help me to do more on the channel. So thank you very, very much. But you know, the biggest support is your prayers. I need prayers. To God, Yahweh, I need the prayers. So thank you for always praying for me and keeping positive thoughts for me. I will do a video of pruning, and I only prune with my nail because I do not know if there are shears that will be adapted for me. So I will be pruning, and pruning is getting rid of the old leaves, yellow leaves, and give new leaves space, and then you will get more tomatoes. So I will do a video with that, but I need someone else to hold their phone. So I feel so good. So I just wanted to share this with you. Even this one is trying, but it's going to come. So I just wanted to share with you. I feel so happy. Until we meet again, keep planting.